Welcome to the Baby Trend video channel. Today we will be unboxing and assembling the Sonar Seasons Standalone Stroller. This video will also be helpful if you have a Passport Seasons stroller. Before beginning putting the stroller together, please make sure you have all included parts. You can find a list of these parts on the parts page in the instruction manual. All instructions explained in this video can be found in the instruction manual. Let's start with opening the box and removing all included parts. Ensure all packaging and zip ties are removed from all parts and disposed of. Let's start by unfolding the stroller. To unfold the stroller, simply release the fold latch on the side of the stroller frame. Pull the handle of the stroller all the way up until the stroller locks and clicks into place. Let's move on to the rear wheel assembly. Remove the pin in one washer from both ends of the rear axle. Insert the rear wheel into the axle bar with the teeth facing inward and insert the second washer. Place the pin into the hole of the axle bar and then rotate into a locked position. From there, align the tabs on the cap with the holes on the wheels. Push the cap into the wheel to close the axle assembly. Make sure to press firmly with your palm to insert the cap completely. Repeat these steps for the other side. Lastly, align both sides of the rear axle and press in at the same time with the brake levers facing outward. Ensure both pins click into place. If the front wheel assembly is required, push the wheels into the stroller frame until the button has clicked in. Take notice of the rivet in the wheel center and assemble with the black rivet facing outward of the stroller. Repeat for the other side. Be sure to pull on the front and rear wheels to ensure all are securely attached to the stroller. The stroller should not be used if wheels do not lock into place. To attach the child tray, align the tray to the connectors and push down. To access the child seat, pull one release trigger and lift up the tray simultaneously. Either side of the child tray will lift and rotate out of the way to allow access to the stroller seat. Now, let's move on to the parent tray assembly. To insert the parent tray, locate the 3 open slots on the tray and face them toward the canopy. Align the parent tray tabs to the inner tabs on both sides of the stroller. Press the tray down firmly until both tabs click into position. Insert the center elastic band into the tray. From underneath the canopy, hook it to the tray tab and repeat for the other elastic bands. From underneath the frame, secure the canopy sides with the bands. Fasten each hook and strap onto the stroller frame. Your parent tray is now ready for use. Now we will be going over the assembly for the storage basket. Ensure that all straps with snap closures are attached correctly. The strap should be pointing downwards, facing away from the stroller. After securing the storage basket snap closures, the basket will be ready for use. For front access to the storage basket, easily lift the leg rest of the stroller to grab your strolling necessities. For the airflow seatback feature, start by unhooking the shoulder straps and removing them from the padding. Then, roll the padding neatly to apply the hook and loop fastener, which is located on top of the seat pad. This will create a seatback pillow feature for your child. Reverse these steps to close the airflow feature. If you prefer to remove the pillow option and have a flat seat back, start by undoing the snap button at the rear of the seat. Pull the padding through the slot opening and roll compactly behind the seat back. Feed the button strap through the loop and button the strap. Reverse the steps to undo the flat seat back feature. To recline the seat, navigate the clip at the back of the stroller seat. Press the clip ends together to release and pull down. When folding the stroller, be sure to locate the strap in the seat pocket. Using one hand, pull the strap firmly upward to unlock the frame. Holding the strap, lift the stroller frame until it fully closes. Compress the stroller and secure with the fold latch. Thank you for watching. We hope you love your new stroller.